Boo-Dget, a ghostly shopping assistant designed to solve a really common problem that is impulse spending. So a lot of the time, we don't overspend because we're bad with money, but instead it's because online shopping is way too easy. One click and the item is already in your cart, you're checking out, and you don't even have any time to think. So we thought to create Boo-Dget. So what it does is it adds a moment of thought or a friction at the point where these decisions happen. So let me show you how it works. Here you can see our little, it's a Google Chrome extension, and this is Ghosty, our assistant. So if I want to go ahead and click him, I can log in. And for this we used Auth0, and I'm going to go ahead and continue with Google. Okay, and it's going to ask me what my monthly shopping budget I want to have is. So I'm going to say maybe $500, and then connect. Okay, this is our kind of dashboard where you can see all your different values. So I'm gonna go ahead and exit that. Let's say that I have this enabled and I'm shopping. Let's say I want to buy a top, and I think that this one looks cute. So hello. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pick an extra large. I'm gonna try to add it to my bag. But Ghosty's gonna stop us. He's gonna say, I got a bit scared. If you buy this, you're gonna hit this % of your budget. Do you really want to buy it, or should I hold it for you? So I'm gonna say yes. Please move it to the Ghosty cart so I don't buy it. I can go ahead and view the cart. Okay, I can go ahead and view the cart, and we can see that the item is in here with the image and the description. So currently the time is set to be 10 seconds for purposes of the demo. However, in practice it's 24 hours. So I can see that the item, it was 2 before, and that's a size small. That is not this edition, so it did not get added to the cart. And then if we go back, we have a buy now button. So if the 24 hours passes and we still want to buy the item, we can go ahead and press it, and it'll take you to purchase that item. And the item is no longer ghosted as it was before. So yeah, and then we have our dashboard with all of our information. We can go back and forth between the cart and our page. And in terms of how the database works, we're going to talk about that now.
So when we authenticate ourselves with Auth0, it saves the user into our database that we made with Supabase. And along with that, it saves a list of finances from the user. Originally, we were going to make it so that it uses your actual bank's account and statements, but for the sake of demos today, we were using the Nessie API from Capital One to get our data. And so that's how it works.
So thank you for watching our demo, and I hope you enjoyed.